Are you a trade business owner that's worried that you're not making enough money to cover your expenses right now? Hi, I'm Andy.
And I'm Angela, and we're from Lifestyle Tradie. What's really important is that you understand your break-even point. This is a moment in time that you have covered the expenses in your business, you haven't hit the profit zone, but you haven't lost any money either.
The problem that we see is most trade business owners don't know when they're making money or when they're losing money, and it's extremely stressful, especially in these times.
What's critically important is that we totally flip this on its head and that you have complete control and clarity on the numbers that you must hit to ensure that you're covering these costs. This is your break-even point. You must know this inside your trade business to ensure that you hit that point plus make profit.
When should you do this? 100% right now. There is no better time. How do you do this? Great question. We've made this extremely simple for you.
We have some downloads that we actually use these templates inside our trade business. You literally put in your numbers and it will spit out your break even, the targets that you should set on your business, and therefore what you're communicating with your team so that you're following KPIs every single day.
Click on the link below and find out how simple and easy it is to understand your numbers in your business.